Announcement. Eyes down, like historic moment record करपा. Bushu, UEFA Champions League perform करतले. चल या.
Eldon was more excited than me. Look at this.
अरे गोल मारे कितको तरे.
Babe, let him play.
अरे down.
Babe, when was the last time you read?
Goal. Yes.
If my papa was here, it would have been so much more fun.
तो UEFA Champions League perform करता. कैसे दिसत तुका तुझे thoughts किती आहे?
I am very happy. बघा आमगे full setup झालो हा. As you can see, रावलो हा perform करपा. आणि पावसा लागून आम्ही अटकन उरलाय.
Even the horses came to see Bushu perform. After that energetic performance, our body needed something to eat, but we were craving for Thai, and I will suggest you this place. This is so good.
We are at the end of the vlog, and my friend Laura would like to say something to all of you. Follow Karfadia!